Welcome to Grade 5 Math, Chapter 10, Symmetrical Designs, Part 2. Let's practice what we've learned. Look at various shapes on the screen. Which of these can you fold to get matching halves? And which ones look the same when you spin them halfway? Which shape has both? Triangle and trapezium can only be folded in half, showing only reflection symmetry. With parallelogram, folding doesn't give us matching halves, but when we spin it by a half turn, it looks exactly the same, showing rotational symmetry. What about the circle, square, and hexagon? You guessed it, they have both reflection and rotational symmetry. Many think the letter S has a line of symmetry because it feels balanced, but try folding it. The parts do not match. The error is confusing balance with mirroring. The aha moment comes when you rotate S by one half turn. It looks identical. S has rotational symmetry, but zero reflection symmetry. Always fold or spin to be sure. Let's see how symmetry works in a real-world craft, traditional block printing. When an artisan stamps the wooden block 4 times, turning it 1/4 turn each time, a beautiful pattern emerges. The artisan plans their intricate designs using these symmetry principles to know exactly how the final print will look. To master this, we sort designs into 3 baskets. Basket 1, only rotational. Basket 2, only reflection. Basket 3, both. By categorizing the world this way, you can understand the geometry behind every pattern you see.